hurt people anymore.
You did.
Not even fighting back.
Well, you said you wanted it to be more of an entertainment.
What's going on?
Go get him, Tiger!
Do you mind if I get a little creative with the format?
It's your show. Hey! Pick it up! Get it! Danny!
What? These people came to see a fight, not a bloody game of tag. I think we have a problem here.
Hey! Danny, you're gonna get killed! Fight back!
Let's go, chicken shit.
You're the chicken shit, buddy!
Not today.
Listen, I know this wasn't the plan, but if...
I was right here!
Kinda small, ain't he?
versus 12. 8 versus 12. Fighters report to the cage.
I told you this is gonna take a while.
I was thinking about those diamonds, so I made a few calls.
My defense.
Come on, get up, get out of here! Get out of here!
Put me down. Got him. Come on. Put me down. Get there.
I'm not Bruce.